Hi everyone, this is Anna again. This is my third video in my 3-video series. On this video, I'm just going to talk about products you need to use to look after hair extensions. We all know that hair extension can make your hair look beautiful. They add volume and they also add length. But just like your own natural hair extension need a certain kind of care, and using the right products won't only make your hair look beautiful, but also extend the lifespan of your hair extensions. The first is a shampoo. I advise you to use a natural shampoo, but it has to be a moisturizing shampoo. The more moisturizing, the better it is for your hair. The second is a conditioner, also a natural conditioner, but it has to be nourishing or moisturizing. You have to pick one of these and no other ones. The third, it will be a heat spray. It will be good. A heat spray is good because when you're using straighteners to straighten your hair, it protects your hair extension as well as your own hair. And also when you just spray a bit when you're going outside in the sunshine, that will also protect your hair. And the fourth will be, for me, is buy a hair spritzer or buy a hair perfume. This will help you because we don't wash our hair extension as much, just like our normal hair, and we can use between washes to make your hair smell beautiful as well as add moisture to your hair extensions. And the fifth will be oils. The oils I like to use are coconut oil or rosemary oil. They're both really good for your hair, but always make sure that you use, especially at the tips of the hair where it goes dry the most, use a little bit there, more regularly. But if you want to use some on your hair, but use just a small amount, not a lot. And my final thing to say, ingredients you need to look for when you're buying hair extensions. Never use products which have got alcohol, no parabens, no sulfate, no minerals, and no petroleum. So ladies, going forward, always read your labels. That's my advice. Always read your labels when you're buying products. Thank you for subscribing to my 3-part video series, and I would love your feedback, and I'll be giving you more tips and how to in the future. So keep tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Thank you for listening, and goodbye, and speak to you soon. Bye.